Hi guys, today we are going to show my workshop saves.
Also, we buy it from the workshop.
Yeah, I know. We have our 7 workshop saves. First is Apple Mac. I think he is taller than the Guardian. He can also walk. Second save is Death Angel. If we unfreeze it, it will lag only the jaw. One or two.
One.
Next is Deep Sea Beast.
If we got injected by a virus syringe, it make our immortality gone.
Yes, stay away from his tail.
Swimming time. Emma do a backflip.
What? He do a flip. Next save is
Livyatan Melville.
OW. Next is Sea Lurker. He is also can swim and fly. Next is the Guardian. By the way, this is for Marcus TV Ghost.
Yeah.
My name is Robin the Destroyer.
Last but not least, Euthoraptor. He has no eyes.
Agent Melon, calm down. Wait a minute. What?